Hello guys, today in this live stream once again we will talk about SweetAlert2 library. We will now show you how basically we can integrate this library inside our Vue.js application, Vue.js 3. SweetAlert basically it's a beautiful dialog box library which you can use inside any of your application, Vue.js applications. If you are building a CRUD application or form validation application, these dialog boxes with cool little icons animations will be very much useful. You can also take an input from the user with validation as well, and if the user hasn't written something, you will see error message will be shown. You need to enter a name, success dialog, error warning, all that stuff. We will basically use this library and try to show you how to integrate this inside Vue.js, and they have their own website. You can check out the documentation. You can see you can integrate this in React, Vue, Angular, and this is their package npm I SweetAlert2. This is the command which is required, guys, for installing this inside your Vue.js application. I have written a complete blog post on my tutorial website. This is the blog post. Step-by-step instruction is given and all the source code is also given. So now let's get started, guys. Now just install this module npm I SweetAlert2 inside your Vue.js application. This is my sample application inside app.vue. First of all, let me have a template tag. Inside this, we will have various buttons which we will define here. Let me say SweetAlert2 dialog box examples, and we will have various buttons out there. First button, let me say alert dialog. Very basic alert dialog we will show. We will bind a on click listener to it. So whenever we click this button, we will execute this method handle alert click. Handle alert click. That's all. So we need to now define this function, guys. So inside your basic Vue.js, we have the script tag, and inside this, first of all, guys, we will import this library. We will make use of the import statement, import swal from SweetAlert2 that we have defined here, installed. And now basically we will say export default, and here we will define this and the name of the application here, which is SweetAlert2 demo. And here the methods comes, guys. So basically the method section, and here we'll define the method handle alert click. So now to show basically the error message, guys, we will say swal.fire. This contains the fire method, and this will be this is a simple alert dialog. That's all. Now you have seen that we have defined this on click here. So whenever we click this button, this function will execute, and this is basically will show this dialog window. So now you will see that component should always be multi-word. So let me just say SweetAlert2 demo, and just refresh your application. So it is starting your Vue.js application, guys. So just wait. SweetAlert2 should always be a multi-word. What is the problem? Let me see. Export default. I think we are missing something. That's why this error is taking place. Just put a semicolon here. You can go to the blog post, guys, and basically you can copy paste all the source code. Basically the source code is there. Sometimes errors can creep in while you enter the code live. So paste it here. Let me paste it. You will see no error is now there, and what I can do is that I can delete that. So now you can see that basically we are having this application localhost 8080. We have a single button. If I click this button, you will see this is an alert dialog box. You will see that And similarly guys, we can have more buttons here. Basically you can, let me just paste it. All these buttons from my blog post. Basically so you will see basically all these buttons are there. We have attached the on-click listener, handle, confirm click, confirm dialog, prompt dialog, success, error, warning, info, question. So here inside the confirm click, we pass a title. You can customize all these title text. You can also change the icon to be, this can basically take, if you see, various options are there: error, info, question, success, warning. And then we have show cancel button. This you can control everything. So when the user selects something, this callback function returns, and this basically contains the value either true or false. Depending upon that, we are showing this success or error message. Now to basically receive something from the user, we allow the user to write something, and we also have a validator as well. So if the user has basically clicked this, hasn't written something, this message will be shown to the user. You need to enter a name. You can customize this message accordingly. Then we have success, error, warning, info. These are the messages. You can see that. And lastly, we have a question. If you want to ask a question, you can even ask a question as well. So this is basically title, text, icon. Again, the value, whatever value the user has selected, it is returned in the callback function. This is all about, guys, how to integrate this inside Vue.js, your SweetAlert2 library. Thank you very much for watching this video. All the source code is given in the description of the video, and I will be seeing you in the next live stream.